What is it called?
Uh,
The Karen.
yes,
Let's
yes.
get out of your way.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It looked
And,
really good. I think I want to read it too.
Oh, this does look good.
What's it say?
The wings.
Free wings.
It's an American Girl, but it like.
Oh,
Oh,
that looks like a good one, Ellie.
Feelings. How do you say free wings?
Houses. Money, no fair. I like what I see. Money.
Wow, where's that from?
That is a good answer,
What's
girl.
up?
I like what I see.
50 buckaroonies. Thank you.
You're welcome. That means we're gonna go shop and you're gonna buy me some stuff.
Remember the kind of beer Dad likes, right?
What?
Remember the kind of beer Dad likes, right?
You're not gonna buy that for you. Can I have scissors to cut this? I don't think I can open it without scissors.
An 11-year-old would be able to.
I can only do this.
No.
I can